Today, I'm going to teach you how to use call lists on Bitrix24 to make calls. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to contact multiple customers efficiently without having to manually dial each number one by one. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to bitrix24.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your workspace quickly. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Bitrix24 dashboard. From here, look at the left sidebar and click on CRM. This section is where all your customer relationship management tools live, and it's the hub for managing contacts, leads, deals, and of course, making calls to your customers. Now, at the upper left of the page, you'll see a menu option labeled Customers. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Contact. This will take you to your contact list, where all your customer information is stored and organized. This is where you'll be able to choose who you want to call. Next, you need to choose the contacts you want to call. You can do this by using the checkboxes next to each contact's name. If you need to narrow down your list, you can filter contacts by type, such as leads, clients, or any custom categories you've set up. If you want to call everyone on the list, simply select all using the option at the top of the list. This flexibility makes it easy to target specific groups or reach out to your entire contact base depending on your needs. Once you've selected all the contacts you want to reach, look toward the bottom of the list. You'll see a button that says Start Dialing. Click on this button to initiate the call list. Bitrix24 will now begin dialing the contacts you've selected one by one, allowing you to efficiently work through your list without having to manually dial each number. This streamlines your calling process and helps you stay organized and productive. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used a call list on Bitrix24 to make calls to your contacts. This tool is a real-time saver when you need to reach multiple people quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.